When you want to mark the cabins inside your corporate office, using a gold or a silver nameplate to show your director's cabin or your boardroom works fine. But what happens if you're looking for a more creative solution? For example, you get your branding on the front as well as on the back of this nameplate, along with your corporate colors. Moreover, in place of a thin, flimsy looking nameplate, you get this sturdy, premium looking plate. We've made the signboard from acrylic. Moreover, we have printed your content in your corporate colors on the front as well as on the back. Moreover, to enable installation, we've put these holes on the back surface of the sign, which means that you simply drill 2 nails on the wall and hang this like any calendar. And you end up with this seamless, eye-catching finish. For more such interesting tips in branding your office, do not hesitate to follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.